Hi guys, how are you today? Today I will show you how to use Lucky Patcher. Note, Lucky Patcher may not be applicable in other applications, such as Mobile Legends, etc. First, install an application. In this video, I will use Temple Run 2. Install the application. Click Allow. Click OK. As you can see, I have 0 coins and gems. My internet connection at that time was so slow, that's why some of the characters didn't show up. I can't have this characters because I don't have coins and gems. I need to play and earn coins and gems first. But with Lucky Patcher I can have those for free without playing the game first. Note the price, it changed later when I reinstall the using Lucky Patcher. Now close the application. Click No. Find the application and long press. Click the APK Rebuild. Click Rebuild App. Click Go to File. Click Reinstall. Click Yes. Click OK. And then install. Once the installation is finished, open the app. Now let's try to buy coins and gems. The price changed, isn't it? Choose in any of the option and see if Lucky Patcher is working. Congratulations, you now have gems. You can buy coins and gems as many as you can. Now let's try to buy other characters. Other characters cannot be purchased because it can only be unlocked when you collect what it is needed while playing the game. You can also purchase the abilities. Now let's try to play the game. If you have good internet, you can be able to load this map and the other characters. You have to have internet connection first, to load the other maps and characters. Once it is loaded, you may be able to use and see, even if you don't have internet. Press the like button if you like the video. Thank you. Until next time, my friend.